The USAA Secured Visa Platinum Card is built for a very specific group: active duty and retired military members, qualified veterans, and eligible family members who want to build or rebuild their credit. It works like most secured cards, where your credit limit matches your security deposit, starting at $250 and going up to $5,000. The difference here is that your deposit is placed in a USAA Certificate of Deposit, meaning it actually earns interest while you use the card. On top of that, there is no annual fee or foreign transaction fees, making it a budget-friendly choice for military members who travel or are stationed overseas. It reports to all three major credit bureaus, offers a relatively low APR compared to most secured cards, and even includes perks like travel protections, extended warranty coverage, and no penalty APR if you pay late. The biggest drawback is eligibility. If you are not a USAA member or do not qualify for membership, you cannot get this card. It also has no rewards program, so while it is good for building credit, it will not give you cash back or points on what you spend. The required deposit can be a hurdle, and that money is locked away in the CD until you close the account or upgrade to an unsecured card. While USAA does review accounts for potential graduation to an unsecured card, it is not guaranteed and depends on your credit behavior. Some users also report occasional customer service challenges, which is worth keeping in mind. In short, this card is a strong tool if you are in the military community and want a low-cost way to rebuild credit while earning a little interest on your deposit. It is especially appealing for those who travel frequently and can benefit from its protections with no added fees. But without rewards and with your funds tied up, it is not ideal for someone who values flexibility or is not committed to careful credit management. Used responsibly, it can be a stepping stone to better credit, but mismanaging it means your deposit stays locked and your progress stalls.